Howziki inkalakliba modern world asigi AI gi role amati youth. Howziki inkalakliba using pure anxiety, depression, kari masi tokliba only just your future. Stanford University na assume na reveal tawraki AI adoption linked to 13% decline in job for young US ki youth sing
are using ADP payroll data to track how AI is reshaping the workforce with a live dashboard showing those trends in real time. And right now, the hardest hit are workers under 25 and entry-level jobs most exposed to AI. Fields like coding, customer service, and accounting. Now they're going up inside big tech. Our Jen Elias obtained leaked audio from an internal Alphabet meeting revealing that the company has quietly cut 35% of its small team managers.